So we're walking over to the Ice Dome Museum. There's somebody in there.
One of the traditions of going to the Ice Museum is to get an appletini in a handmade ice martini glass. So these two women were coming out of the Ice Museum, and the tradition is that once you finish your appletini, you take your ice martini glass and you make a wish on it looking down inside the bowl. And then you bring it outside and you smash it on the ground, and your wish is supposed to come true.
It's called the Aurora Ice Museum, and we're going to go register for that. And we're coming tonight at 7. So I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are in Alaska. And we have traveled how many miles, Glenn, did you say?
7,800 miles since we left Virginia. On March 24th.
We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go. We'll see you later. We came in here to get coats.
Here's our local carver. He makes all of the appletini glasses.
If you guys are free to
Get the sunflower for Dana.
get some cups up and running. But for now, we'll let Ann take it away and do a little bit of maintenance right now. So if I can clean up my shop a bit, I can get back to carving.
Look at him cleaning his shop.
Yeah.
That's real love, right? It's all clean up. All right, everybody, let's go. I got some wonderful things for you. Proud. It was a heck of a party. You really celebrated. But then at the end of 04, it all melted.
Oh no.
Oh no, I know, oh no. And our hearts were broken.
too dark.
Broken. However, from that enormous tragedy came innovation, came adaptation. And we did better. In 2005, we built a brand new ice museum, and that is the ice museum we are standing in today. This ice museum has been standing since 05, and one of the reasons why that is even possible is because of this right here. This right here. The Great Wall of Chena! The Great Wall of Chena. So that was the first thing built in 05. It took an incredible amount of ice, months, as well as an incredible amount of man hours to get that ice wall from the ground to the ceiling and out to the side walls. It is the most impressive structure we have in here. That wall keeps the outside air outside and the ice museum cold. It keeps us safe from the great melt. Well, another great melt. If you look at the top there, you'll see a little wear and tear. That's what happens when the outside air gets inside. It hits the ice, and the ice then goes from a solid state into a vapor. That vapor rises up. It clings to the ceiling. If you look over here, this here is all from sublimation. It clings to the ceiling and reforms into this crystallization of ice right here. Sublimate. Sciencey stuff. Who knew? You may have noticed that we've got two types of ice. One is a clear ice and one is an opaque ice or a white ice. The clear ice comes from the water itself. So all of the ice that we use here in the museum is harvested from different ponds on the property. The clear ice comes from the water of those ponds, and the white ice comes from the compacted snow on top of the ponds. The best example is right here in the balcony. You see the pillars side by side, Arctic and marble ice. The clear ice is Arctic ice, and the marble ice is the white ice. All of the structures and the sculptures in the Ice Museum are the masterworks of a dynamic duo, a married couple, Stephen and Heather Bryce. The Bryces have been sculpting ice for decades. In fact, $600 a night will get you all the bells and whistles, furs from wall to wall, and an additional room in the Moose Hotel, because between you and me, no one has made it through the night. Oh, really? No one has made it. I imagine it's got something to do with it being a freezer with no bathrooms. No bathrooms. So, I don't know. Oh, we also have the little igloo here. Feel free to walk inside, sing a little tune. It's acoustic. The sound reverberates off of the side walls and drops down on you right in the center.
That's
You see, you
we're
have
difficult
like a
staying
little
here.
throne room.
Look at all that up there.
I know.
Okay, let's take a picture here.
Yeah, we look like comrades with these big old things on.
Oh, I am out
Comrades.
of glasses.
Nomads.
This is what an ice hand-carved martini glass looks like. And we had appletini and that, and it was green, and it was quite good. So that's what they look like, but we didn't crack ours up. We didn't smash it.
Because we don't believe in all that. We
Yeah,
like
that's
keep
not,
a glass.
we're not into that kind of magic.